How to fix Sony Vegas keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Delete temporary files in Windows. 2. Set priority to high for Vegas Pro process. Like this. 3. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Import your footage via the Explorer window. 5. Customize Vegas Pro settings. 5.1 Adjust the dynamic RAM preview max, MB, value by using 1/3 to 1/2 of your maximum RAM available. 5.2 Disable GPU acceleration of video processing. 5.3. Disable multi-core rendering. Note, you may search multi-core in the search bar at the bottom of the preferences menu. 6. Disable or reduce a CPU processor for Vegas Pro. Like this.